In the last episode, we had Elisha feeding 100 people. I wonder if you can guess what's going to happen now. Luke 9:12-17. Late in the afternoon, the 12 apostles came to him and said, "Send the crowd away so they can go to the surrounding villages and countryside and find food and lodging, because we're in such a remote place here." Jesus replied, "You give them something to eat." They answered, "But we've only got 5 barley loaves of bread and 2 fish, unless we go and buy food for all these people." About 5,000 men were there, not including women and children. But Jesus said to his disciples, "Have them sit down on the grass in groups of about 50 each." The disciples did so, and everyone sat down. Taking the 5 loaves and the 2 fish and looking up to heaven, Jesus gave thanks and broke them. Then he gave them to the disciples to distribute to the people. They all ate and were satisfied, and the disciples picked up 12 basketfuls left over of broken pieces. Here we go again. Do you remember Elisha's story from the last episode? Here, Jesus multiplies the food many times over to feed 5,000 men, women and children. So there may have been as much as 10,000 people, who knows? What with? Barley loaves again, and some fish. And once again, God said to Elisha in the last episode, they will eat and have some left over. Well, in this case, it was 12 basketfuls, a basket for each of the disciples. In another version of the story, the writer explains that a small boy offered his own food, 5 loaves and 2 fish. His packed lunch, I suppose. He offered it to Jesus, who then broke it up and fed as much as 10,000 people. You see, Jesus feeds with barley loaves, which signify God's provision. But Jesus also referred to himself as the bread of life. What does that mean? We'll discuss that in the next episode.